Okay? And it's going to be part of your Caught Being Good program. Okay? And what that means is when you're caught doing something nice for somebody else, you're going to get a golden token. And the token's going to trigger a free vend in the machine for you to pick out whatever book you want. Okay? All right, and I got an idea of how we're going to demonstrate it. Can I have Callie Hines come up? Guys, your classmate, Callie Hines, over the summer raised $2,000 for First Class Children's Foundation.
Woo!
Callie's going to show you guys how it works and pick the very first book. Now, just so you know, what makes this so special is that some of these books that are going to be in this machine are signed by the authors that wrote them. So, that could be Dave Pilkey, who wrote Captain Underpants the Dog Man. Jeff Kinney, that wrote Diary of the Wimpy Kid. Or Pepper Springfield, that wrote Slugs and Tweets. We have all kinds of different signed books. They will say it right inside on the book cover. You'll know which ones are signed. You can pick those if you like. So, Callie's going to come up here and she's going to pick the first book.
Go, Callie!
Everybody that helps us out, First Class Children's Foundation is here. My grandma, my mom, and my aunt Vicki missed all of us. My cousin Jordan, my wife Kim. Give it up for Kim. She's good. And guys, big donation to this machine was made by Jen Reynolds Hamilton. Her husband's Jason Hamilton's here, so if you guys give a big hand to them. And thank you guys so much for having us. This thing's going to be in your school for a long time.